Is your aloe vera not growing big in a pot? Here's the reason and how to fix it. Welcome back to the channel. A lot of us grow aloe vera in containers at home. It's easier to manage, and we can move the plant around anytime we want. But here's the challenge. How do we make aloe vera grow bigger and faster in a pot? Aloe vera loves to produce pups, especially the chinensis variety. It multiplies fast, whether it's young or mature. Your pot gets crowded before you know it. Barbadensis, on the other hand, usually waits until it's older before making pups, but it still fills up a pot in time. When aloe vera is planted in a small container, it needs more care. The trick? Thinning and defoliating. First, remove the pups, no matter how small, on a regular basis. Don't wait until they get big. They steal nutrients from the mother plant. Next, look at the bottom leaves, especially if your plant grows in full sun. If the leaves grow sideways and look old, remove them. That helps the plant focus on growing newer, bigger leaves. Also, watch out for yellowing leaves. That usually means the pot is too small or the soil nutrients are running low. To fix this, either water with nutrients more often or move your plant to a bigger pot. And don't throw away those leaves or pups. You can make use of the leaves by extracting the gel from it. Also, plant the pups in separate containers. You'll have more aloe vera plants and healthier ones too. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. This is Danny, and I'll see you in the next video.